What is up, vlog? How are you? So today is a new day and I am going to start a cleaning vlog. Guys, I'm about to play a clip from last week where I thought I was starting my cleaning vlog and then I didn't end up cleaning, and it's really ironic because in that clip I talk about how many times I start clips where I'm gonna clean my house and then I don't, or my room and I don't. You know how many times I've started vlog clips being like, I'm cleaning my room, and I've even taken like montages and like all the clips of me cleaning, but then I don't finish cleaning my room, so the vlog never gets uploaded, and so therefore I have all this cleaning footage just sitting on my hard drive. And there I went again, not doing it when I said I never do it. So here I am actually starting this cleaning vlog. Hello and welcome. Both my roommates just went out of town for the remainder of the week. Today's Tuesday, they don't get back till Saturday and Sunday. So I have the house to myself to walk around naked and yell and literally do whatever I want. Woo! Yeah! So, apparently what I want is to clean. Not really, but my house has been filthy. Not filthy, that's dramatic. My stuff has just been kind of everywhere for the last few weeks and it's really been bothering me, but I've been really busy, so it's been hard to like gather some time to clean it. But I think my boyfriend is actually gonna come over and stay with me tonight and tomorrow night. So I want my house to be clean because I don't know, it's embarrassing when it's not. So I'm gonna do a little house clean, but first I need some food. So I'm gonna make some avocado toast, inspired by Morgan Yates, my roomie. I always use her recipe now. It's very simple, but it's so good. So I'll show you what I'm using. All right, so first and foremost, I'm using this gluten-free everything bagel from Trader Joe's. Gonna pop that on into the toaster. And then while I do, I'm also going to be putting an egg. Hello. I'm also gonna be putting an egg on this bagel. For fun facts of the day, I actually have an egg intolerance and I wasn't eating eggs for like 3 years, and I am now on a reintroduction plan to try to have a little bit more egg in my diet to see if I can reintroduce it and not be so intolerant anymore. So basically that just requires me throwing some egg into my diet, and so far it's been good. So far haven't felt any type of weirdness or sickness. But you have to do it very slowly and you have to kind of be on a certain plan or else you can just damage your gut again. Why am I bending over? I don't have anywhere else to put my camera. So I'm gonna be frying a little egg and putting it on this avocado toast. So I'm toasting that. So I literally just put some coconut oil, put the egg and shut it so it fries. And then when the bagel comes out, I'm going to just put some avocado on it and then basically just use chili flakes and everything but the bagel seasoning. Those are our go-tos. I'm gonna put those on and then some balsamic vinegar topper because we love it. Also, as you guys know, I've had a paint by numbers obsession. This one I ordered from a website called numeralpaint.com. It literally took a month and a half to get here, but I am surprising my boyfriend Nick with this because he's obsessed with Kobe, and I think it looks so freaking cool that this was all the paint by numbers. I haven't shown this in a vlog or on Instagram yet because I wanted it to be a surprise, but by the time this vlog is up, he will have already gotten it because I'm hoping to finish this today and give it to him. So I'll hopefully catch his reaction, but isn't that cool? And with that, I hear my bagel. Okay, she cute. Now, my little egg, which I flippity-dippitied. Come on, get on the spatula. Okay, sure, that works. Put her on there. And then we're gonna add the seasoning. And voila, there we go. I make this a lot of times without the egg, and so it's just like two open-faced things. I'm not gonna put it over like a sandwich because then it goes by faster. And guys, I like food, so I'm trying to make it last, you know what I mean? So I am very hungry and excited to eat this. Ooh. Gonna do that now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a couple hours later. I finally finished my work for the day. So it's time to clean because basically I have about an hour and 10 minutes till I have to leave for my workout, and then my boyfriend's coming over after that. So I have an hour and 10 minutes to pretty much clean my life away as best I possibly can. So we're gonna do it. First, let me give you a dirty room tour, okay? This is actually embarrassing. Also, by the way, my boyfriend, Nick, he is very OCD about things being clean in his space that he's existing in. I just want to throw in there that I have since learned that I really shouldn't say like someone is OCD about something because that's just not correct. Obsessive compulsive disorder is an actual diagnosed disorder and I don't think Nick has it. So just wanted to say, sorry, that's not what I meant and I won't say that again. So when he used to stay over all the time, I feel like I got really in the habit of like picking my stuff up right when I take it out, because as a YouTuber and as someone who's constantly making content, I'm pulling clothes out, I'm pulling props out, I'm pulling tripod out and batteries, and like basically everything just gets everywhere. It is really easy for stuff to pile up, and brands send products and I try stuff on. So when he started staying here, I was like, okay, Adrienne, you gotta learn how to like put stuff away when you take it out. And it was hard because I was always taking stuff out, but I finally did it and I got used to it, and now he hasn't been staying here for a really long time. I've been going to his house, so it's become a mess. Dirty room tour. Come on. Okay, that was easily solvable and I just didn't. Got some crap going on over there. Bed's a mess. Clothes are everywhere. I have like bags packed from like when I stayed over at his house. I don't even know. Ooh, Windex. I need to clean my windows. Drawers just open. Like that's not, come on. Okay, come on. That's okay, but like this makes it look like it's clean. But then, oh, lordy, 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 lord. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot to do. So I'm gonna do it, I think. Cool. All right, it's a new day. The cleaning was put on pause and now I'm back to it. But it's Saturday and I decided to have a bit of a productive, well, potentially productive Saturday. I think I might be productive, but it very well could change and I could end up not being productive. But I keep like getting to Sunday and then just being really bummed that I feel like I have all these things to do to get ready for the week. And instead I just wanna like enjoy my Sunday and relax. So I'm gonna try to get a couple things done now. It's still relatively early. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. So we got some time. Check out this fire outfit. I bought a new base camp tank top and some sweatpants. I was kidding when I said fire outfit. But yeah, so I'm almost done with Nick's Kobe painting. It's looking so good. I can't wait to show him. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna finish that and then I'm gonna shower and I might go frolic and do a little bit of shopping. We have this big outdoor mall that I kind of forgot about. And so it's all outdoors except for the stores themselves, but then you wear a mask and they only let certain people in at a time. So I may go shopping a little bit because I just haven't in so long. And there are a couple things I want and I also want to get a couple gifts for people. So might do that with Lonnie a little bit later, but I'll keep you posted. All right, never mind. This day has taken a turn for the less productive, except also productive. I'm actually gonna go shopping with Lonnie, which will be sweet. I haven't gone shopping in so long because obviously COVID and stores have been closed, but now things are open, but you have to wear a mask and it's only like a few people at a time. So we're just gonna survey the scene. I don't need a whole lot, but I do wanna pick up a couple things. So I'm gonna do that. Also, I don't know if this is like the beginning of a vlog or a continuation, so I'm sorry. I don't really know, but I figured what I'm gonna do is wear this shirt that, as you saw in my thrifting video, got from the thrift store, but I'm just going to give it a quick cut so it's a crop. So we're gonna do that now. All right, so first, wow, this lighting could not be worse. First I need to put this shirt on to figure out like where's the best prop in place. Oh, this is a little tighter than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna say probably right here. I'm gonna start right here, so then I make a little snip in the middle. Guys, this one is a lot tighter than usual on the sleeves, and I really hate that, but we're gonna make it work. Hi. I'm just the queen of good angles today. CEO and founder. Okay, here it is. I messed up a little right there, but I will fix it. We're gonna try this on for size. Oh yeah. It might be a little lopsided, but I'm digging it. So this is gonna be part of my fit today. All right, after much deliberation and attempting to be cute, I'm back in yoga pants because why not? But these shoes are, to this day, some of my favorites. I think Lonnie's calling me. Flash forward, we are at the freaking mall. We're in Nordstrom now with Lonnie. She's looking at some bags, and look at how my outfit turned out. It turned out like that. Oh wait, I already showed you. Duh, Adrienne, you stupid idiot. Okay, but I'm going to say that it feels so cool and weird being in a mall. Like, I haven't shopped in so long. I've only shopped online, so I take it back. I've shopped, just not in person. So it feels really good because I love shopping. But, you know, we're being careful and whatnot. Wearing our masks. We're peeping the sunglasses. It's a little hard to tell with our masks on, but I need another pair of like basic sunglasses that don't get caught in my hair when I put them on my head. I really like these. So I'm vlogging so I remember, so I can consider. Lonnie, okay, I forgot to vlog her putting on this one, but I was like, wait, if you, yeah, I like both of them.
I'll just throw this one one over top of the green one?
Yeah, I was like, if she was wearing this, I would not mess with her. I'd be like, you know everything and I will not question you. I like that one more on you.
I think I like this one too.
It's more of a statement, right?
Do we like the double look?
No. Veto. We're in BP, haven't been in here in my whole life. Also, cannot believe that Champion is now like an expensive brand. Are you kidding me? Like, throwback to going to Walmart and getting this and not being able to get designer stuff and being made fun of. Yeah, that was fun. Really glad that it's cool now. So it goes to show, trends are stupid. It doesn't have to be expensive. Buy things on Amazon. Buy knockoffs, it's cool. Gonna try stuff on, which I didn't even know was a thing, but oops, I'm the worst vlogger in the world. I didn't show any of that. But out of all the stuff, I was a very conservative shopper, and this is all I'm gonna get. Cute little blue
Adrienne and I got
top.
basically an outfit.
We got an outfit together. Did you just die? What just happened? You guys can't see the faces I'm making because like my mouth is hidden, but I keep just being
I just hit myself in the face with my hanger.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Usual Lonnie things. Usual behavior.
All right. Wow, I was way more hungry than I thought because I just like scarfed this down. We're at the food court outside. Just got Panda Express. Lonnie also bought some Panda. We're just living our best lives. We really are.
Not vlogging very well, but
Not vlogging
we're
very
living
well.
our lives.
Mm-hmm. But good vlog content. Check out this dog. It won't focus. There we go. Cute little puppy. Hello homies, I'm back home and Morgan's here. Yay, roomy life. I don't have to be scared alone now. But I'll show you what I got later because I got some really good stuff. Definitely like bought things I didn't need to buy, but it was all good and I exercised. Well, yes, I exercised, but I was gonna say I exercised like, what's the word for like, yeah, like discipline, yes. For like not buying everything I saw, which was super good. So we just got Main Chick hot chicken. It's this, or is that what it's called? Yeah. Whoa, I just blacked out. I don't know what's happening to my brain today.
Main Chick hot chick.
Main Chick.
Isn't that what it's called?
Yeah, Main Chick hot chick is this bomb, like crack chicken tender place in LA. But it's so aggressively amazing that like sometimes you can't have a lot of it because it hurts. Yeah. But look how many sauces. I was like, get extra sauce because I like keeping these for later, but I forgot it comes with that. I didn't think it was gonna come with 3, so oops.
Who would have known?
Who would have known? Also, as Morgan perfectly put, like the narcissists we are, we're gonna watch our Croatia vlogs. But honestly, it's because we, at this time last year, were in Croatia. And it's crazy that it's already been a year. And it's crazy that we haven't like done real traveling this year. Like think about all the trips we would have gone on by now.
I do prefer to not think about it.
Yeah, let's not think about it. But that's why we're gonna watch our vlogs because we miss it. And it was good times. Traveling was, I feel like, a huge part of our lives. Like, obviously it's not this year.
Yeah, we used to go. You're always my travel company.
The plus one, the travel bud. I know we haven't done that in so long, so we're gonna watch some of these. Feel free to peep them. I think I did have Croatia vlogs on this channel because this channel had just started. I think I only did like 2 or 3 vlogs, but honestly, it was bomb.
I think they also went up 6 months after the trip.
That's true. That's true. Oh well, in typical Adrienne fashion. Ah! Boyfriend FaceTiming me. Okay, bye.